Still freaking out. In my last video, I saw you guys unboxing these two and the rarities of them. If you want to go check that video out. Now, let's open my legendary. Okay. Oh, I opened it. Let's see what's inside. Oh, it's a puppet. Oh my gosh. I love puppets. If you didn't know, I am addicted to them. I bet this is the quiet side. And if you guys want to buy one, I'll leave the link in my bio. So yeah, bye. I love my new fidgets.